arrest of 4 accused members of an international crime ring believed to be responsible for installing ATM skimmers all across the Houston area.
Tyler, Texas, population 107,000.
There is no other fusion center or intelligence center in the country, and as far as we know, the world, that does what we do.
This is the Texas Financial Crimes Intelligence Center. The specialized unit, led by Director Adam Colby, has only been around 2 years, tracking organized crime, credit card skimmers, and other financial crimes.
We are looking at criminals from all over the world, criminals that have come to the United States specifically to commit crime. Money that they're actually stealing is staggering. These guys are traveling all over the state and all over the country committing these crimes.
The FCIC helps law enforcement agencies connect the dots and find them before they empty your bank account.
Come your hands! Get your hands up in the air!
4 members of a Romanian crime family illegally crossed the Canadian border into Vermont and made their way to Houston.
They also were working with other criminal groups.
They allegedly inserted skimmers into ATMs at more than half a dozen Walgreens stores. At the Pearland Police Department, they gave us exclusive access to evidence, like the pinhole cam they mounted on ATMs to steal customers' PIN numbers.
Extracting the information back and putting it onto another piece of plastic so that you can use it.
Law enforcement traced the suspect's car using Flock license plate reader cameras. The FCIC helped link it to this Pasadena dealership where the suspects bought it using a fake passport.
The level of sophistication here is about as high as you can get.
What the suspects didn't know, Pearland PD was watching. They spotted them at this Walgreens as they withdrew cash from an ATM. That's when Pearland PD made their move.
Turn around!
Making a pivotal traffic stop, taking down Dimitru Catalin Lixor and Marius Constantin Tika.
Got him. The credit cards.
In the car, Pearland PD found $14,000 in cash and over 300 re-encoded gift cards with stolen victim information. The HPD raided this Airbnb rental in Sunnyside. Inside the home, police found a sophisticated skimmer manufacturing facility. They arrested Alexandru Jean Marcu and Gabriel Jean Bulmachi. All 4 suspects locked up now on a combined $44 million bond and could face up to life in prison for engaging in organized criminal activity.